All right, let's talk about why CEH is one of the smartest moves that you can make in cybersecurity today. First off, just look at the size of the opportunity. There are more than 3.5 million unfilled roles globally, 3.5 million globally in cybersecurity right now. And that gap is probably not closing anytime soon. With more systems going online, more data to protect, and more threat actors getting into the game, demand is exploding. And AI works for the hackers too. So AI not only enhances our abilities, but also enhances the abilities of our adversaries. So we can't afford to not use it against itself when we defend our networks. All right, this is not a trend. Think about it this way. Are computers going away? Are they just a fad? Probably not. Are bad people trying to do bad things going away? Probably not. So that means there's always going to be an increasing demand for cybersecurity professionals. As we become more reliant on digital technology, that's going to continue to grow. So it's not a trend. It's a workforce crisis. And it's creating massive opportunities for people who are ready to step up. But here's the thing, employers can't just hire warm bodies. They need people who are certified, qualified, and most importantly, proven, because they can't afford to take chances on their security teams. CEH gives you that credibility. It's not just a checkbox, it's a recognized badge that says you understand how attackers think and you can defend just as aggressively. CEH has been a respected certification in both the private sector and the government space for over 20 years. In fact, many DoD and federal contracts require CEH to even qualify for the role. You can't just say that you know hacking, you have to prove it. If you set out to get your driver's license, there is a knowledge-based test or written exam. That doesn't necessarily mean you can parallel park. That's why we have the road test. CEH tests you both on the knowledge base and your ability to apply the skills practically to solve a series of 20 challenges in your CEH practical exam. More on that later. CEH is one of the fastest ways to show that you're ready. And when you compare it to a college degree or a coding boot camp, CEH gets you in the job market faster, with less debt, and with a clear path to promotion. That's real ROI. Not just a salary bump, but in career access, role eligibility, and long-term growth. So if you're serious about stepping into this field, this cert is worth every minute you put into earning it.